But then he's like, he doesn't want to smoke, and he acts like he needs to take a sleeping pills and look at
Nah,
edibles
nah.
and drink some freaking lemonade.
Yeah, here, have a lemonade. Just make him a cup. He don't even got to know. Rick Ross said it back in the day.
He don't trust me no more though. I already messed up his playoff game last year, the Chiefs playoff game. It's not my fault. I told him to eat what to eat, and he said it didn't feel it, and he ate another half of the cookie. And then
he was too feeling.
Yeah, so he said he couldn't enjoy the game at all. And I was
Well,
like,
forget the game. You still win.
I mean, right? You were good.
You can always watch the replay.
Right, and then you'd be good. Yeah.
And where are y'all usually located?
We're at Independence.
Independence?
Mm-hmm.
See, that's the good
down the
news
street.
there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll be visiting there because I'll be out and about.
All right, bet. That's our, that basket right there is our business card. It's a seed pack with seeds from our garden.
See, we out doing our networking today.
Nice.
Getting out of the house while it's getting nice.
Right.
That way I can sit at home all winter.
Yeah.
How you doing today? Okay.
They were giving those away.
What we got over here? We got some accessories and some more good shit. I don't need a scale. I got that ashtray at the house. They got these damn kits though. Those kits are nice. How much are these kits?
Which one? Well,
Either or.
These are 40 for all of this.
Uh-huh.
And that's to roll your blunts. That's a roller.
So it's an actual blunt roller.
I would say so. I mean, here's one that's open. I would say that's a blunt.
Yeah. I can fit that in there. Definitely fit a blunt
That's
in
got
there.
a magnetic tray or a magnetic lid.
That's what's up. We might have to work with that. Where are you usually located at?
You know, I'm just getting started, so I'll be at these.
Pop-ups, local
Yeah.
KC events, nowhere solid. Okay. Home base operated just like me.
Yep,
Hey, we be out networking. That's what it's all about.
yep. Like I said, just getting started.
And what's
so.
the social medias?
Well, I haven't done it that. I mean, I'm like really new, so I've still got to do all the social media stuff. But Staff Styles is the name. I sell smoke-proof bags as well, the backpacks. And then those are just stuff I made.
I see you. We gonna come back and link up one day because I'm gonna have to get one of these.
Yep.
At least a blunt roller because I do need one of those. That's gonna be hidden.
Yeah, no kidding. No kidding.
Then this black and green, you know, that catches my eye.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, that's a nice little dab piece right there. I do need another one.
These are nice. I have one at home that I use, and I like it.
Oh yes.
I really like it.
Especially when you actually got some good dabs to go with it.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Always adding that up.
Yep. So, take a free sticker. Take as many as you want. I got all kinds of stickers.
I ain't gonna take too many, but yeah, we'll grab one or two, maybe three. Shouts out to the sticker game. What up, Glenn? Why do I keep saying Glenn? This dude is gonna kill me one of these days. He called me Glenn. Guess I'm not high enough.
Oh, that can't be good. You gotta fix that.
I'll go hit a dab in a minute.
There you go. There you go. Success.
Let me slide from the back of this corner. Excuse me. Alright, slide with a different. Passing all these tables straight through. I got some more drinks. Around. Let me get away from that speaker. Excuse me. Man, it's definitely cracking in this piece. 51 minutes in. That's what's up. I'm finna slide back to the car, get some of this Mountain Dew. probably roll me up another blunt. Might make another pass through here, dude.